cannot go on. You feel so lost and that you're so alone. All you see is night and darkness all around. You feel so helpless, you can't see which way to go. Don't despair and never lose hope, 'cause Allah is always by your side. Insha'Allah, 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 you'll find your way. Insha'Allah, 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 you'll find your way. Turn to Allah, He's never far away. Put your trust in Him, raise your hands and pray. Ooh, yeah, Allah, guide my steps, don't let me go astray. You're the only one who can show me the way. Show me the way. Show me the way. Show me the way. Insha'Allah, 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 we'll find our way. Insha'Allah, 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 we'll find our way. Insha'Allah, 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 we'll find our way.
Terima kasih. Harapan ke depan agar PKM penerapan teknologi di usaha kecil menengah terus diadakan dan didanai, karena membantu untuk pengembangan usaha kami. Kami sampaikan terima kasih kepada Kemdikbud Ristek Dikti atas bantuan hibahnya. Baik, terima kasih. Sama.